You were fine. Then someone spoke. Just a few words. Then your mood completely changed. That is the power of energy, and not all of it is good. Words carry weight. Words can bruise. And if you are not careful, someone else's voice can ruin your entire day. But what if you could stop that cycle? What if there were ways to protect your peace without losing yourself? That is what all this episode is about. How to shield your spirit when negative energy comes from someone's words. Some bruises don't show on the skin, they sit quietly on the inside. A harsh tone, a sarcastic jab, a comment made to shame you in public. It may seem just like words, but it's emotional warfare. Verbal assault can shake your self-esteem, damage your confidence, and plant silent anger or shame that follows you long after the moment has passed. So the first step is this: don't downplay the damage. Not everything someone says about you belongs to you. Separate the message from the messenger. What they said might have more to do with their pain than your truth. Ask yourself, is this about me or is it about them? That question alone can shift your mindset. Sometimes the way people treat you is just a reflection of what they feel inside. It's okay to walk away. It's okay to say, not today. Protecting your peace doesn't make you rude. It makes you wise. When words hurt, silence sometimes is the best shield. You don't need to explain yourself to someone who wants to tear you down. No. If you choose to respond, let your voice be calm, firm, but not loud. You don't have to match their energy. Control yours. Some people, they want reaction, not resolution. Don't let them pull you into their storm. Leave them in it and keep walking away. After someone has torn you down, be the one to build yourself back up. Say it out loud. Their words don't define me. I am still worthy. Do something that helps you to release the weight. Music, prayer, journaling. It could be anything that can just take your mind from that negative energy. Whatever that reminds you of who you are, return to it. Find those who speak life into you. People who will remind you of your strengths. You don't need many, just real ones. You won't always control what people say, but you can control how much access they have into your spirit. Your peace is sacred. Don't give it away just easily. And if someone's words broke you, you don't have to stay broken. Heal, rebuild, protect. You are allowed to go beyond what they said. Moment of Wisdom is here to remind you your healing matters. Your peace matters. Frank D'Souza is my name. See you in the next episode.